Good morning once again, grade ninth. The last session we saw that was the causes of the French Revolution 1789, and today we will start with the revolt breaks, actual day of the revolt. The war had drained the French treasury. The state was under heavy debt and had to pay hefty interest to creditors. To improve the finance of the state, the king decided to increase the taxes levied on people. We know that already last session we discussed that king thought that we will increase the taxes. Then people were against him. When the king called a meeting of an assembly of the estate general to pass proposal of the new taxes, the member of the third estate walked out from the meeting demanding that every person in the assembly should have one vote contrary on the existing practice of one estate having one vote. The voting system were different, like voting was on the basis of property or the estate. Those who were non-property one, they were not getting or opportunities of voting. So the members of third estate assembled in the indoor tennis court on 20th June 1789 determined to draft a constitution which would limit the powers of the king. Third estate people already they were gathered one place and they thought that we will have such constitution where equal rights will be there for all people and there will be limitations on the powers of king. So this was the opinion of third estate. During this time, the prices of bread rose. Bread here, food grains in France, and bakers began to hard supplies. Agitated by the unavailability of bread, people, including women, stormed into shops. So this was again the big problem. We can see in this picture in the tennis court how the people of France they were gathered of third estate. Then, as the number of revolt began to grow, the French monarch recognized the French assembly and his power could now be checked by the constitution. As revolts started one by one, there were so many revolts. So, the number of revolts, the French monarch recognized the French assembly, his power now could now be checked by the constitution. Now, what was the system and how was it? France became a constitutional monarchy. After that, there was monarchy. Monarchy means one person's rule or king's rule. The National Assembly, consisting of the members of the third estate, drafted the constitution which gave limited powers to the king, and the executive, legislative, and judicial powers were assigned to the different institutions. Then the National Assembly had the power to frame laws for country. National Assembly uh, just had power to frame new laws, and some outdated laws were there to remove those laws and to have new laws. Such powers were given. Then the Constitution of France guaranteed a right to life, freedom of speech, freedom of opinion, and equality before law. So these were some main features after this Constitution of France. Even though this picture you can see the system of how was the system, but this also not worked in France. What happened after that? Because after that there was abolition of monarchy in France. What was abolition of monarchy? We will see further. Because the power of King Louis XVI were reduced, he asked for the help from Prussia and Austria. There were monarchies. However, the revolutionaries in France formed a large army and declared a war against Prussia and Austria. When King Louis was thinking that now I have limited powers, I should take help from my friends. So he started that, but he was not uh, succeed in that. How? Because people they came together and formed army, and they were just about to do war against Prussia and Austria. This development led the changes in the constitution. Then, one by one, the King Louis XVI was executed publicly on 21st January 1793 on the charge of treason. His queen, Mary Antoinette, was also executed later. So, this was the end of King Louis XVI and his king, Marie Antoinette. After that, also the situations were not good in France. What? Because next point is very important, and that next point is the Reign of Terror. Why the Reign of Terror? Why terror name is given? Everything is there because we are going to look next king, that was King Robespierre. Why was he was called the Reign of Terror? We will see in the next session. Thank you.